Hollyhock Secrets Revealed, a complete care guide. Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the enchanting world of hollyhocks. These towering beauties are a staple in cottage gardens, and I'm here to share all the secrets to growing them successfully. From tiny seeds to breathtaking blooms, we'll cover everything you need to know. Get ready to transform your garden with these majestic plants. Hollyhocks come in a delightful array of colors and forms. You'll find single-flowered varieties, as well as doubles that resemble fluffy pom-poms. Colors range from classic pinks and reds to sunny yellows, deep purples, and even near black. Consider the height of different varieties when planning your garden. Some can reach impressive heights of 8 feet or more, while others stay more compact. Choose varieties that suit your garden's size and aesthetic. Starting hollyhocks from seed is a rewarding and cost-effective way to grow them. You can sow seeds directly into the garden in late spring or early summer. Alternatively, start them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost. For indoor sowing, use a seed starting mix and keep the soil consistently moist. Once seedlings have developed a few sets of true leaves, they're ready to transplant outdoors. Choose a sunny location with well-drained soil for your hollyhocks. They thrive in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Amend the soil with compost or other organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. When transplanting, space plants about 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for adequate air circulation. This helps prevent fungal diseases, which hollyhocks can be susceptible to. Water thoroughly after planting. Hollyhocks need consistent moisture, especially during hot, dry periods. Water deeply at the base of the plant, avoiding wetting the foliage. Mulching around the base of the plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize hollyhocks sparingly with a balanced fertilizer in the spring. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. A slow-release fertilizer is a good option. Due to their height, hollyhocks often need staking to prevent them from toppling over in strong winds. Use sturdy stakes and tie the stems loosely to the stakes with soft twine. This will provide support without damaging the plants. Consider planting hollyhocks near a fence or wall for natural support. This can also create a beautiful backdrop for their towering blooms. Hollyhock rust is a common fungal disease that can affect these plants. It appears as orange or yellow spots on the undersides of the leaves. To prevent rust, ensure good air circulation around the plants and avoid overhead watering. Remove and destroy any infected leaves promptly. You can also use a fungicide specifically labeled for rust control. Prevention is key to managing this disease. To encourage continuous blooming, deadhead spent flowers regularly. This prevents the plant from putting energy into seed production and encourages it to produce more flowers. Simply snip off the faded flower spikes just above a leaf node. In late summer, you can allow some flowers to go to seed if you want to collect seeds for next year. Hollyhocks are often short-lived perennials, but they readily self-seed, ensuring a continuous display in your garden. It's important to remember that hollyhocks are often treated as biennials. This means they typically grow foliage in their first year and flower in their second year. However, some varieties can bloom in their first year if started early enough. Don't be discouraged if your hollyhocks don't flower in their first year. They're simply preparing for a spectacular show the following year. Collecting hollyhock seeds is easy and a great way to propagate these beautiful plants. Allow the seed pods to dry on the plant until they turn brown and brittle. Then, carefully remove the pods and break them open to release the seeds. Store the seeds in a cool, dry place until you're ready to sow them. Hollyhock seeds are generally easy to germinate, making them a rewarding plant to grow from seed. Hollyhocks benefit from companion planting. Consider planting them alongside other cottage garden favorites like roses, lavender, and daisies. These plants not only look beautiful together, but can also help deter pests and attract beneficial insects. Avoid planting hollyhocks near plants that are susceptible to the same diseases, such as rust. Good companion plants can help create a healthy and thriving garden ecosystem. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy the breathtaking beauty of hollyhocks in your garden. These towering blooms add a touch of old-world charm and attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds. So go ahead and plant some hollyhocks and watch your garden come alive with color and life. Happy gardening! Thumbs up, like, and subscribe for more. Bell, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Pushpin, check out our blog for more in-depth guides. https://lifeandwork.blog/. Speech balloon, comment below.